Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Picatinny mount is probably one of the most versatile accessories for action cameras, allowing users to capture unique perspectives. This mount provides a secure and stable platform for attaching your GoPro to various platforms, such as firearms or tactical gear. In this video, we'll explore the features, benefits, and considerations of the Picatinny rail mount, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Number 5. Airsoft Rail Mount for GoPro Action Camera, Black. This rail mount is designed to securely attach your GoPro camera. It allows you to record your experiences hands-free, making it perfect for action shots. Made from high-quality nylon, this mount is built to last. Weighing only 20 g, it's incredibly lightweight and won't weigh you down during your activities. The mount is simple to set up. With the included hexagonal set screws, you can quickly and easily attach it to your airsoft rail. This adapter is compatible with GoPro 1234. It provides a stable and secure platform for your camera, ensuring you capture every moment. This mount is ideal for capturing photos and videos without holding your camera. It allows you to focus on the action while still recording. The mount's dimensions are 3 by 2.5 by 2.1 centimeters. Its compact design ensures it doesn't interfere with your gear. What we like. This mount is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It's also super easy to install with the included screws. If you're looking for a simple, no-frills solution to mount your GoPro, this is a great choice. What people say. The mount is very sturdy and well-built. It holds the camera securely. The design is great and it fits perfectly. Number 4. Fotga GoPro Hero 4 Plus 321 Gun Rail Mount. This is the Fotga gun rail mount, designed for your GoPro camera. It allows you to easily attach your camera to a Picatinny or Weaver rail for unique perspectives. The mount is compatible with GoPro Hero 4, 3 Plus, 3, 2, and 1 cameras. It provides a secure and stable platform for capturing footage while shooting. Installing this mount is simple and straightforward. You can quickly attach it to your rail system and start recording your adventures. Built with quality materials, this mount is designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. It ensures your camera stays securely in place. With this mount, you can capture unique shots from your firearm. It opens up a world of creative possibilities for your video content. What we like. The cantilever design allows for flexible camera positioning. This mount provides a secure attachment, so you don't have to worry about your camera falling off. If you need a reliable mount for your GoPro, this is a solid option. What people say. Good anodizing, nice machine work I bought for non-traditional usage. The mount fits tight, and the screw has plastic on the tip so you can tighten it down without gouging your $300 handguard. It attaches to the rail with ease. All you need is hex key. Number 3. Picatinny Rail Mount Adapter for Action Cameras. This adapter is designed for a wide range of action cameras. It works with popular brands like GoPro, Sony, and many others. It ensures you can capture your adventures. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, this mount is built to last. It's tough and firm, providing a secure hold for your camera. You can rely on it in various environments. The 45-degree side mount allows for easy and quick camera positioning. It's simple to use, with a fast plug-and-release mechanism. This design gives you flexibility. The included screw and wrench make installation a breeze. It easily attaches to standard Picatinny Weaver rails. It allows you to quickly set up your camera. This adapter is suitable for various firearms, including shotguns, rifles, and airsoft guns. It's perfect for capturing hunting trips, airsoft games, and other activities. It helps you record your experiences. Install it on either side to record your shooting experiences. Share your show time with your friends and family. It helps you to record wonderful moments. What we like. This mount features a unique 45-degree side mount design for creative angles. It is easy to use, with a fast plug and release mechanism. If you're into airsoft, hunting, or shooting sports and want to capture unique perspectives, this mount is perfect for you. What people say. I use this for Airsoft and helped create a fun Doom FPS perspective for video. It's also lightweight so it doesn't add much bulk. Bolt it down and the thing isn't moving. Used for Airsoft. Love it. It sits nicely in a rail, and holds the GoPro pretty snug too. It is plastic, but it seems pretty durable. Number 2. SEASKY GM02 Camera Mount for GoPro DJI Insta360. This mount is constructed from high-quality aluminum, making it both durable and lightweight. It's designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor activities, ensuring it lasts. The GM02 is compatible with a wide range of action cameras, including GoPro, DJI, and Insta360 models. It also fits any Picatinny rail-equipped gun, offering a versatile shooting experience. The mount features a secure and easy-to-use system for attaching your sports camera. This ensures stable, shake-free video recording, even during intense activities. With its polished black finish, the GM02 has a sleek and modern look. It blends seamlessly with your gun's Picatinny rails and your sports camera, providing a professional appearance. Whether you're hunting, shooting, or just capturing your adventures, this mount is perfect for POV and vlog-style videos. It allows you to easily record your experiences hands-free. What we like. This mount is built with sturdy aluminum, ensuring durability. It's universally compatible with various action cameras and Picatinny rails. If you're looking for a robust and reliable mount for your hunting or shooting adventures, you should consider this one. What people say. The mount is very secure and doesn't move around at all. The GoPro fits perfectly and is easy to install and remove. It is made of high-quality materials and feels very durable. Number 1. ADE Optics Picatinny Mount for Red Dot Sights. This is a precision machined mounting plate. It's designed to connect red dot sights to standard Picatinny rails. This allows for easy mounting on various platforms. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, this mount is built for durability. The robust construction ensures it can withstand tough conditions, providing a reliable connection. It is compatible with Dr. Burris Fastfire and Vortex Venom red dot sights. This mount also works with several ADE red dot sight models. This offers a wide range of options. Please note, this mount is not designed for handguns. Most handguns do not have a Picatinny rail on top. It is intended for use on rifles and other platforms with Picatinny rails. Finished in a matte black anodize, this mount provides a sleek look. It also comes with 2M3x6mm screws for easy installation. It is ready to go out of the box. What we like. This mount is precision CNC machined from aircraft-grade aluminum. It's designed to connect to optic sights. If you're looking to mount a red dot sight to your Picatinny rail, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Perfect fit for my Beretta 1301 to mount my Vortex Viper 2. Fits well, took a tiny bit of nudging on the pegs but nothing requiring tools. Wish it had a few more lengths of screws, but no issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.